Welcome to M+ video training. Today's video will identify which jig to use with what hinge. So after scanning the label, the description will be highlighted in a colour, which in turn will represent the jig. We have 3 in total: green, yellow and red. So after drilling the 3mm hole, place the hinge into position, ensuring the elongated slot is to the top end of the hole. Fix in place, ensuring the screws are straight and to a flush finish. Once this is done, check the hinge function, turn the sash around and repeat the process.